Good morning, children. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 12, solar system. Okay, so what is a solar system? Solar system means the sun, the main part, the main thing is the sun. Okay, sun and its 8 planets. Okay, form the solar system. The sun and the 8 planets form the solar system. Sun is in the main center of the solar system, and the 8 planets, they move around on their own orbit in the solar system. So here orbit means that is the path, okay, through that the planets move. It means one planet will not move on the another planet's path, okay, that only orbit. Like the road moving, na roads, the vehicles are passing on the road, so that is the way only, that path, right? So that only here the that means when we are giving that race conducting, that time the track making, right? Through that track only the runners should run, right? The same way here also planets. Now see, and these planets, they are also the heavenly bodies, okay, but and they revolve around this sun, but they don't have their own light. Sun is having its own light and heat, but these planets do not have their own light, but they reflect the light of the sun. Like the moon, it is also not having its own light. It also reflects the light of the sun at night. But moon is not a planet, okay, it is different one. But here the planets, they are the heavenly bodies, okay. I now see what are these 8 planets. Name of these 8 planets I will explain you. And these planets also, how can we see them? The heavenly bodies, they are very far from us, right? And not only that, the stars are also very far. The far off objects, how can we see? That is through an instrument that is known as telescope. The telescope, through the telescope we can see the far off objects near to us, okay. Now these planets are arranged here according to the distance from the sun in increasing order. That means which one is the nearest one, that means the less distance. So sun is the main one, right? Then who is moving around? So the first one, that is the Mercury, okay, Mercury is the first one. Then the second one, increasing order, okay, that will be the, then another planet, that is the Venus, okay, and the third planet, Earth, our own planet, okay. So here it is first one, then second one, then the third one, it is Earth, then the fourth one, Mars, okay. Fourth one, it should not touch like this. This is the fourth one, right? Then the fifth one, Jupiter. Then the sixth one, Saturn. Okay. Then the seventh one, Uranus. Okay. So the seventh one is the Uranus. Then the eighth one is the Neptune. Okay, that is the eighth one. See. Eighth one. So this understood. These are the planets from increasing order. That means the smallest distance. This one, Mercury. Then afterwards Venus. Then Earth. Then Mars. Then Jupiter. Then Saturn. Then Uranus and Neptune. Okay. The which one is closer to the Sun? Mercury. And which one is farther to the Sun? Neptune. Okay. So here now see. Earlier there were 9 planets. Okay. Which one was the 9th planet? That was the Pluto. Okay, Pluto was the 9th planet, but actually afterwards, after some time, this planet, this Pluto was not included in this solar system because it was out of the orbit. Okay, out of this. That means there should be a proper area for this solar system, but it was not coming in that. So then couldn't observe that one. So the scientists, what they done, they removed this Pluto from the solar system. Afterwards it became 8. Then again after some time it started to visible. Then but this it was not sure that now again it will not go. It may again go disappear from here, from the solar system, so that they didn't include it in this, but they redefined that one Pluto as a dwarf planet. Okay, what it is? Dwarf planet, very small planet. Okay, so because it is not coming in this, it may go again go very small, so that they didn't included in this. It is considered as the dwarf planet. Some more dwarf planets also there, that is we can say this Eris. Okay, Eris it is there. And also one more, it is the Ceres. Okay, Ceres, they are also the dwarf planets. Clear? Now see, I will explain all these planets in detail. Before that I will explain about the Sun. Okay, Sun, it's a huge ball of gases, huge burning ball. Okay, huge ball of fire, we can say. It consists of the gases. Okay, so it's a huge ball of gases, and it is actually having an outside atmosphere, the thin layer passing around, that is known as the corona. Okay, corona, that is the thin layer present around the Sun. Okay, around our earth, which is present? Atmosphere, right? In the same way, here around the Sun, the thin layer present, that is known as the corona, not the disease, what viral disease now it is passing, coronavirus, not that one. It is different. Okay, and now see, this contains much gases inside. Okay, and it is Sun, it is made of hydrogen and helium. Okay, hydrogen and helium, it is present inside. But when inside goes, there also this helium gas, afterwards it changed into hydrogen, and afterwards it releases much heat. Okay, more heat produces. That is what this is too hot ball. And this Sun, it is the nearest star to the earth. Okay, it's a nearest star to what? Earth, our earth. That is what we are able to see the Sun during the daytime. Okay, and it is having much heat also there, and it produces the heat as well as the light. Okay, understood? Then I will explain these all about these all planets afterwards. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.